which company do you come from?
Hi, my name is Francesco Viasillo. I'm from Prowler-Proof in Banyo.
I'm Tiani West and I'm from Uniden Engineering on the Gold Coast.
My name is Justin Switzer. I'm from a company called Same Sheet Metal.
Simone Ariti from Urban Art Projects, UAP.
Can you see yourself implementing lean manufacturing in your company?
Yes, we can see ourselves doing lean.
Yeah, definitely. We've already started and then coming here today, it's really helped us get the next steps in line of what we want to do.
After this tour, it's definitely something that we can find a lot of value in. There's a lot of efficiencies and time management saved in doing so. It's definitely interesting.
Yeah, definitely. So we're about 12 to 18 months into our lean journey, and so this was really great to see a lot of the things that we've been learning and starting to implement and seeing them a couple more years down the track, and some great ideas that we'll take back.
And what is the key point you find more interesting about the tour today?
Everything has its place. There's a lot of structure and everybody knows what they need to do.
Just actually being able to see lean implemented into a business rather than just through worksheets and online and videos, to be able to see it, touch it, feel it, speak to people that are doing it. It really helps to be able to make sure that we are doing the right things and can see the possibilities.
Just how simple, less is more is probably what I picked up from everything.
I really loved the culture and the engagement with the team and that emphasis of getting the people involved, and it's nice and calm and everyone wants to be here and there's a sense of having fun with it and working together.
Great. Thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate it.